So good morning. Uh, till yesterday, good morning. Till yesterday we had done the five kingdom classification and we saw there were five divisions, that is Monera, Prodista, Fungi, Plantae and Animalia, right? So today let's take up the topic on Monera. Okay? Now Monerans are all the prokaryotic bacteria. As we have already discussed, these bacteria can be, autotrophs, they can be chemosynthetically autotrophs, but most of them are heterotrophs. And they are found abundant in nature everywhere, that they are omnipresent. They are microscopic and they can be present on anything, even at the surface that you touch, any desktop that you touch, any tabletop that you touch, and even the bacteria is present in the food, in water, everywhere you find bacteria. Some bacteria are really good, some bacteria are not that good. So here we're talking about monerans. So first I'll tell you how the monerans or the bacteria are classified on the basis of their shapes. Okay, as you can see, I have written down four of them. Now what is cocci? The cocci are round or spherical shaped bacteria. You will find them like this. Okay, so cocci means, with these classification, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, that is cocci, bacilli, spirilla and vibrio, they are classified on the basis of their shapes. So first one is round one, that looks like this, circles, they are known as cocci. Single is known as coccus. It's singular is known as coccus. Okay, now we come to bacilli. Now bacilli. Now the example of this can be streptococcus. Now bacilli are rod shaped. What are they? They are rod shaped bacteria like this. Alright. So they have a long tubular structure like a rod. So those type of bacteria which are having this type of structure are known as bacilli. The single is known as bacillus. Now we come to spirilla. The name says it is spiral. They are spiral in shape. Okay? They can be having a flagella over here. They can be having some flagella over there. These are known as spirilla and the singular is spirillum. The last one is comma shaped. What is the shape of vibrio? They are comma shaped, more or less like this. The way we make a comma. Okay. So we have seen how many types of bacteria are present according to the shapes. Number one is the cocci, bacilli, spirilla and vibrio. Alright, now we will come to the next type. Now the main classification begins that what are the different basically types of bacteria based on their habitat, based on their eating habits, based on their composition of the cell structure. So the first one we will be talking about, this classification was based on their shapes only. No other criteria was taken into account. But now we are going to talk in more detail